Students. Okay, students. Did you listen last class? Yes. What did we discuss in the last class? Yes, about sense organs. Is it right? Do you know what is sense? Yes, sense means something feeling. This time revising previous class. How many sense organs are there in our body? 5 sense organs are there. Okay. What are they? Eyes, nose, tongue, ears, and the skin. Okay. Yes. This is our last class, previous class. Now we are going to discuss about our body. What is that? Our body or my body organs. Today's topic is my body organs. This is our today's topic. Okay. So each and everybody has a specific body. Is it right? Are you seeing my body top to bottom? Yes. Like that every human being or every animal, whatever it, they have a specific shape, a specific body, and inside the body or outside of the body, different organs are there. Is it right or not? Today we are going to discuss about my body and the organs and my body organs. Okay? Yes. See here, our body is made up of different organs. This is our body, it is made up of different organs. How it is made up of? With organs. Clear? Do you know what is an organ? It has a specific function. It has specific function. Function is your work. Function or work. Or work. Suppose if you take any organ in our body, heart is there. Okay. What is the use of heart in our body? It pumps blood. It is an organ. Is it right? Brain is there. So what is in your brain? We are thinking, we are doing our activities. Our body, total body is controlled by the brain. This is one organ. Okay. Yes. So our body is made up of organs. And we can see in our bodies different organs. What are they? Inside brain is there, heart is there, lungs are there, kidneys are there. Okay, now liver also is there, stomach is there, and we are seeing nose, eyes, ears, tongue, mouth, like that. So these are all different organs. But are you seeing all these organs outside? No, we are not seeing all these organs. So yes, two types of organs are there in our body. So what are they? Some organs we can see. So which organs? Which organs are seeing outside? We can see them. We can see them. Okay. So that type of organs are called external organs. External organs. Is it clear? Some organs are there in our body. We can see them with our eyes. For example, you see what type of organs you are seeing with your eyes? Nose. Example, nose, eyes, ears. We can see with our eyes. So they are located outside of our body. So this type of organs are called external organs. External organs. Examples, what are they here? Ears, eyes, nose, etc. Okay? We can see with our eyes. Some organs are there, we can't see with our eyes. Okay? Some organs are cannot see. Cannot see outside. they are called internal organs. They are called internal organs. Okay, some organs are there we can't see with our eyes. So such type of organs are called internal organs. Will you say some examples? Okay, see here. Examples: brain, heart, lungs, etc. Okay, so these are the two types of organs in our body. What are they? External organs and internal organs. External organs means we cannot see, we can see with our eyes. So thus, such type of organs are called external organs. They located outside of our body. So they are called, they are examples: ears, eyes, nose, etc. Some organs are there we cannot see them with our eyes. They located inside our body. Such type of organs are called internal organs. Examples: brain, heart, lungs, etc. Is it clear? Understood everyone? Yes. Next. So we are discussing here about the body. So we are seeing here on specific body. Is it right? How it is made up of? Do you know how it is made up of? Yes, see here. Our body is made up of mainly bones. Especially bones. Made up of organs also. But how we are getting this type of specific shape means with the help of bones. So in our body we have 206 bones. How many bones are there in our body? Totally 206. These 206 bones are located and we are seeing in an adults. In an adults. Is it clear? Okay? But if we see in the newborn babies, just born babies or newborn babies, if we see in them, we can see in them 300 bones. How many bones are there in the small, just born babies? 300 bones are there. But when we are growing slowly, okay, these 300 bones modified to 206 bones. Okay, while they are growing, children growing, they are in growing stage now. So while they are growing, what will happen? In these 300 bones, some bones are joined together. They form like a single bone. So that is why this number is reducing. So finally we have 206 bones. How many bones difference are there? See here, 300 minus 206. Okay, borrow here 4, 9, 94. 94 bones joined together. Finally we have we are seeing 206 bones in an adults. Okay now. Next. So with the help of these bones, is a framework of bones are forming. So that is called here skeleton. With the help of these bones, skeleton is forming. This is called bony framework. Okay, bony framework is called a skeleton. So, in the, whatever term, skeleton is made up of bones. How many bones are there? 206 bones are there in an adult. Okay. Next, the skeleton is covered with skin. I have one skeleton now. Bony framework is in my body, inside my body. Are you seeing my skeleton system? No, we can't see. Why? So this skeleton is covered with skin. Everybody has skin, no? Yes. Okay. And middle of the skeleton and skin, between skeleton and the skin, here we have muscles. muscles are there. Generally, if you touch here or here, okay, here if you touch means some hard things are there. They are called muscles. So middle of this skin, middle of the skin and skeleton, middle muscles are there. So like this, totally our body is forming. Okay, this is about our body. Okay, and here we are discussing about skeleton. So what is the use of skeleton in our body? Do you know about that? See here, skeleton, mainly some works are there. Skeleton is, it gives us specific shape. Skeleton gives us shape. And support. Shape and support. Clear? Skeleton gives us shape and support. Okay? And it helps in stand upright. Stand upright. Stand upright position. Now we are all standing like this. How it is possible? With the help of a skeleton. Next. With the help of skeleton, it helps in movement. Helps in movement. We are all moving in different places. We are all moving different places, and we are doing different activities. See, now I am writing like this. My hand is moving like this. How it is possible? With the help of bones, a skeleton only. And for this skeleton, muscles are also giving help. Okay. So now we are bending and standing upright. We are bending back side, bending sides. So these are all activities done by skeleton only. Again, we are getting same position. So these are the functions of skeleton. Okay. Understood everyone? Yes. And we are going to discuss here organs. Now we discuss about body. Okay. Now we are going to discuss organs. In them, especially some organs are there. First one is brain. What is that? Brain. Clear? Yes. So do you have brain? Where do you have brain? Where it is located in your body? Yes, it is located in our head. Is it right? It located in our head. So that was this brain is protected by skull. Protected by skull. Is it right? Skull means that is made up of bones. Cranial bones are there. So these cranial bones are giving protection to our brain. Is it right? And it controls our body. Controls our body. So, which organ controls all the body parts or all the total body? Brain. Brain is controller. Okay? And brain is thinking, remember everything, whatever. Think, remember. Okay? Writing, listening, everything, whatever. So these are all activities. These are all activities done by brain. That's it. Okay? These are all doing by brain only. Is it clear? Yes. And do you know how is the shape of how is the brain? See, this is the brain. Is it clear? Yes. Next, we are going to discuss another organ. It is heart. It is heart. Do you know heart? Where is your heart? Do you see anytime heart or brain? No. Why you are not seeing your brain, heart? They are internal organs. Already we discussed, no? Yes, they are located inside our body. That's why we are not seeing with our eyes. So now we are discussing heart. Where is your heart? Everybody has left side of your body or left side of your chest. This is chest area, chest region. In this chest part, where is your brain, heart? Left side is there. If you put your hand here, beating, sound beating is coming. Okay now. So this is now we are discussing about the heart. So what is the function of heart? It pumps blood. It pumps blood. Clear? It pumps blood. And how it is made? It is made up of muscles. It is made up of muscles. These muscles are special muscles. Special muscles. How are the muscles? Special. What is the special in the heart muscle? Muscle means here also we have muscles. In our body also different muscles are there. But these heart muscles, okay, these heart muscles are special. But why they are special means, so that is these muscles are working continuously. They never get tired. Even we are in sleep also they are working. Is it right or not? So that's why we are saying they are the special muscles. Is it clear? Yes. And in our heart, 4 chambers are there. 4 chambers. 4 chambers are there. So with the help of these 4 chambers, blood is going to the all body parts and again coming to the different body parts to heart. It is continuous process. That is called circulation. That is called circulation. Next, we are going to discuss another one, lungs. Lungs. Do you know lungs? Yes. Now we are taking air. Again releasing outside air. Is it right? Where it is going? Our taking air, it is going into our lungs. Okay now, where they located? They located in our chest area, chest region. Here. Like this. So when we take air inside our lungs, how many lungs are there in our body? 2 lungs are there. 2 lungs. So there are lines are there. Like that are their lungs, okay? And the downside of diaphragm muscle is there. This is the muscle, diaphragm. That is called diaphragm. With the help of diaphragm, our lungs are working. When we take air inside, like this, they will fill. That's why we are contracting. They can contract, expand. When we release outside, they will contract. They will come near. Okay? So this is the expanding and the contracting positions are called inhaling and exhaling. Inhale and exhale. Okay? So, what are the use of lungs? Lungs, with the help of lungs, we are exchanging gases. Oxygen is going inside our body and the carbon dioxide is coming outside. So, this exchanging of gases purpose, here we have 2 lungs in our body. Okay? Next, stomach. Another one. Stomach. Where is your stomach? Do you know what is the use of stomach? Yes, where is your stomach? It is in our abdomen area. This is our abdomen. This is our chest area, our chest region. This is abdomen region or abdomen area. So in our abdomen, it is located. So that is stomach. It is a sac-like organ. It is a sac-like organ. Sac. Sac means look like a bag. Sack is like look like a bag or a pouch. So how is the shape of our stomach? Like this is there. Is it clear? So whatever we are eating food items, that food particles or food items goes into our stomach. What is the work of stomach? It is always rotating itself. So that is called peristaltic movement. With the help of this movement, it is grinding our taking food items, and it will make a food soft or like a paste. It will make our taking food like a paste. Do you know paste? Yes. While we are brushing teeth, we are using paste. How is that? Very soft is there. So our taking food items or food particles change like a paste with the help of our stomach. And in the same way here, some juices also producing. So with the help of juices, our taking food change into like a paste, and it can move other organs. And stomach too, it goes to small intestine. Okay. Yes. These are the some organs in our body. Is it clear? So what we discuss now? Our body and the different organs. So in our body is made up of muscles, and especially bones also are there. So these bones are form a skeletal system, that is bony framework. Bony framework, that is called skeleton. With the help of skeleton, we have separate specific shape and support. Okay, and with the help of skeleton only, they are moving all sides, bending back, forward, sideways. Okay, and an adult has 206 bones. How many bones are there? 206 bones. And in the small kids, means just born babies or newborn babies, they have 300 bones. While they are growing in that time, in that period, they will change. Some bones are joined together, they finally form like 206 bones only. Okay? In the children we are seeing 300 bones. In adults we are seeing 206 bones. And we are seeing, we discussed about different organs. First what we discussed, the brain, it controls our body. Okay? And we can think, remember whatever work we are doing, and it is analysis also, everything. Okay? It locates in present in our head. It is protecting by our skull. Okay? And the heart, it pumps blood, and the heart is made up of with muscles. Okay, these muscles also special muscles. Why we are calling special means here they never take rest. They are continuously working. Even we are in sleep also, they are working. Already you know that. Okay, and it has 4 chambers. So what is the function of heart? It pumps blood. Next, lungs. We have 2 lungs in our chest region. Okay, and with the help of lungs, what is the use of lungs? They are exchanging gases. When they breathe inside, that is inhale. So oxygen enter into our body. After that, when we give outside air, means air, here what will happen? Carbon dioxide is coming outside. Okay, that is exhale. Okay. Next, stomach. It is sac-like organ. Sac means it's a bag or pouch. Okay. This is the shape. This is the shape of the stomach. It has a peristaltic movement. Okay. Always it is moving like this. That is called peristaltic movement. With the help of this movement, it is grinding food particles in our stomach, and finally it will make like a paste. Okay, these are the organs. Do you understand? Yes. Now I am going to give a small assessment or homework for you. After listening this class, you have to do that. Okay? What is your assessment? See here. Or homework. Okay? Heart is made of dash. There are bones in our body. The bony framework of our body is called dash. This is a question, small question. Name some internal organs. Okay, this is a small assessment or homework. After listening my class, you have to write answers. Okay, after this class, in the next class, we are going to discuss things around us. This is next topic. Things around us. Okay. So in the next class, we will discuss things around us topic. Thank you.